Hello viewers, question 3a of Newton's law. We're now having a look at Newton's third law. So Newton's third law is the law of equal and opposite reaction forces. So if object A exerts a force on object B, then object B must at the same time exert a force on object A, which is the same size but opposite in direction. We need to consider 5 examples of this law in action. So the first one would be the example of a plane flying. So a plane is able to fly because it pushes downwards on the air, and the air therefore pushes the plane upwards, which provides the lift force that the plane needs to stay in the air. So the second example would be your support force from the ground. So if you're standing somewhere, then you're pushing downwards on the ground. That's due to your gravitational force. That's due to your weight force. But the ground is therefore pushing you upwards, which is preventing you from falling through the ground. It's got to provide an upward force to support you, to prevent you from falling. Now, what about a rocket? What happens in a rocket? So a rocket pushes its exhaust gases backwards, and therefore the exhaust gases push the rocket forward. There's also the example of a tug of war. So if you've got two teams having a tug of war, let's say Team A versus Team B, then Team A is going to be pulling in one direction, and Team B would be pulling in the opposite direction. The size of those forces, those pulling forces, is identical. And question 5, we've got, what does gravity do to a ball which is thrown upwards? Gravity pulls it down, but at the same time the ball is pulling the whole Earth upwards. Not very significantly, because the mass of the Earth is huge, so it's not going to have much of an effect, but that upwards force from the ball on the Earth is there. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.